Hey guys, what's up? It's Curtis back with another video. I know it's been quite a while since I've released one, but I've taken a step back to really focus on my trading and really hone in on my skill, which I'm super grateful for. I've really improved a lot. So with that being said, I think I'm going to be coming out with a lot more videos a lot more frequently. So I'm super stoked to be back and be able to offer that to you guys, and just a little give back to the community that I've created over the recent years that I've been posting here on YouTube. So without further ado, we're going to get right into the video, and hopefully many more videos to come. Right now what you're looking at is Binance Coin, or BNB, which is an exchange. It's the largest crypto exchange in the world. So you would definitely know this pair by now, but there's not been a lot of momentum in it in the last 3 or 4 months. We made a new all-time high here back in June, and ever since then, it just seems to have been falling down and making lower lows. And now we're starting to see a bit of a corrective move where we can see some bullish momentum come into play, which is great. So I just want to show you guys how I make these analysis videos, like what I see when I'm looking at the markets. So we'll get right into it. Obviously, you see this ascending trend line that we have here where we have 3 or 4 touches throughout. I am expecting at some point it's going to just wick down really quick like this wick here, just to tag it one more time to take out some of this liquidity before ultimately moving in an upward direction. But with that, we've also broken this descending trend line, and now it's acting as support right in an actual support area. So in confluence with this exponential moving average I have on the chart. If you guys are interested in how I look at trading now, I have a free checklist where you can find out exactly how I look at my trades before I enter them. You can go and find that out by clicking the link in the description. It's completely free, as well as you can get access to this indicator within there as well, and what EMAs I move. So go ahead and check the first link in the description if you're looking for a free trade checklist. Absolutely free, and it just really helps you see clarity in your trades before you actually enter them. So go ahead and get that at the first link in the description. But back to the video, we are in a very strong zone. This is rejecting our EMA, this descending trend line in this actual support. So this will be a very strong zone to break. I don't think I anticipate it breaking, but I do anticipate it coming down to a lower level, even tapping in halfway between this zone. As a possibility, ultimately maybe passing through, coming down to this zone or somewhere over here before ultimately ripping up. It's going to have to touch down somewhere before ultimately moving up. So as I'm looking at this trade, I do see a lot of bullish momentum. We're not too far off. I mean, relatively, we were pretty close to making a new all-time high just a couple days ago. Obviously, that didn't pan out, but we're starting to see a lot of bullish movement across the entire crypto market. So the likelihood of us making a new all-time high is very likely. So start looking at longs. What I'm kind of looking for is just to come back just a little bit more. Not much, but within this 590 mark, somewhere in here, 585, 590, I think we're going to touch back down into there before ultimately making new highs. That's just my own perspective on this. And I have reason for that. I trade using the Fibonacci's, and my fibs are kind of telling me somewhere within this range that's where we're going to come down before ripping up. So that's my analysis on BNB. It's got all bullish momentum. All the EMAs are indicating it's bullish. So everything is looking good. I'm just going to keep an eye on this, keep watching us reject and respect these supports, and then break through these resistances to act as support and just continue on this ladder. What's nice about this chart too that I'm seeing is it's looking a little bit predictable. Just looking at it, these support and resistance are pretty evenly spread out. So the likelihood of us running into something up here is also pretty likely too, just looking at it. So there's a good chance that we ultimately come up to this zone up here, the 755 zone, make a rejection, and then continue on. So that's how I'm looking at this right now. I'm going to stay glued to BNB and just keep an eye on it. And ultimately, it's going to end up being a very bullish move here very soon. So keep an eye on it. That's today's video, guys. Again, if you are looking to improve your trading, go ahead, click the first link in the description to get your free trading checklist. I highly recommend it. And if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, as well as subscribe, and click that notification bell for any future videos. Again, thank you guys so much. Your support is so appreciated. You have no idea. And I'll sign off here. We'll see you guys in the next one.